Biotechnology is transforming drug development by enabling precise genetic engineering, high-throughput screening, and personalized medicine. These methods enhance the efficiency of identifying potential drug candidates and tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles, significantly reducing development time and costs. This innovative approach is crucial for advancing the discovery of life-saving therapies. Biotechnology is transforming drug discovery by enabling precise targeting of diseases at the molecular level. Techniques like CRISPR and monoclonal antibodies allow for the development of therapies that are more effective and personalized. This new frontier promises to address previously untreatable conditions, offering hope for patients worldwide. Biotechnology is transforming drug development by overcoming traditional limitations, which average over 12 years and $2.6 billion per drug, with high failure rates. It enhances speed, accuracy, and targets unmet medical needs. From recombinant proteins to gene editing, biotechnology is reshaping medicine discovery, offering precision and novel therapeutic avenues. Biotechnology enhances the drug development pipeline by integrating genomics for target identification and validation. In preclinical stages, cell culture models and biotech screening methods are pivotal. Clinical trials test biotech-derived therapeutics in humans, while Food and Drug Administration approval involves regulatory review of safety data. Genomics, proteomics, and bioinformatics integration accelerates each development phase. Biotechnology methods enhance every phase of drug development. In discovery, they enable precise target identification and candidate optimization. During preclinical and clinical testing, biotech tools validate therapeutic efficacy and safety. This integration ensures a streamlined process, improving the success rate of new treatments. Understanding disease at the molecular level involves analyzing cellular processes and molecular interactions. This approach uncovers the biochemical pathways and molecular mechanisms that contribute to disease progression. By identifying these molecular targets, researchers can develop more effective therapeutic strategies, enhancing drug efficacy and reducing side effects. Genome sequencing uncovers genetic mutations that drive diseases, providing insights into their molecular basis. By comparing healthy and diseased DNA, novel drug targets are identified, paving the way for innovative treatments. Personalized medicine emerges, allowing for therapies tailored to individual genetic profiles, enhancing treatment efficacy and patient outcomes. Functional genomics employs CRISPR and RNA interference to manipulate gene expression, validating potential targets. High-throughput analysis accelerates the discovery of gene functions. For instance, identifying genes crucial for cancer cell survival aids in target validation, paving the way for effective therapeutic strategies. Proteomics uncovers the protein landscape, identifying proteins as drug targets and effectors. Techniques like mass spectrometry and protein arrays detect biomarkers and assess drug impacts. Monoclonal antibodies exemplify therapeutic design, targeting specific cancer cell proteins for treatment. Visualizing protein-drug interactions is crucial for designing effective therapeutics. By understanding protein structures, researchers can tailor drugs to fit specific targets, enhancing efficacy. This precision in drug design minimizes side effects and maximizes therapeutic outcomes, offering significant advancements in personalized medicine. Cutting-edge biotechnological techniques revolutionize drug development by enabling precise protein-drug interaction analysis. Advanced computational models and high-throughput screening identify optimal binding sites, enhancing drug efficacy. Structural biology tools like X-ray crystallography and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy provide detailed insights into protein conformations, facilitating targeted drug design. These innovations are crucial for developing effective therapeutic proteins through recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology enables the cloning of therapeutic genes into host cells, such as bacteria, yeast, or mammalian cells, to produce essential proteins like insulin and erythropoietin. Protein engineering enhances these proteins by improving stability and efficacy while reducing immunogenicity. Chromatography techniques are crucial for purifying these proteins, ensuring their safety and potency for therapeutic applications. Cell culture and disease modeling allow for in vitro testing by growing diseased and healthy cells to study drug effects in controlled environments. Advanced models, such as stem cells and organoids, mimic human tissues for more predictive testing. This approach reduces reliance on animal models, accelerating preclinical research while offering ethical benefits. High-throughput screening, HTS, revolutionizes drug discovery by automating the testing of thousands of compounds against specific biological targets. It integrates robotics, imaging, and data analytics to rapidly identify promising candidates. For instance, HTS screens chemical libraries to find inhibitors of viral enzymes, accelerating the development of antiviral drugs. Bioinformatics leverages vast biological datasets to predict drug-target interactions, enhancing precision in drug discovery. Machine learning models optimize candidate selection, significantly reducing development failures. AI-driven molecular design creates molecules with desired therapeutic properties, streamlining the drug development process and improving therapeutic outcomes. Machine learning algorithms revolutionize drug discovery by analyzing molecular interactions. These algorithms predict successful drug candidates, significantly accelerating discovery timelines. This approach enhances efficiency, reducing time and cost in developing new therapies. Translating biotech discoveries from lab to clinic involves rigorous testing and validation. Preclinical studies assess safety and efficacy, while clinical trials in phases 1, 2, and 3 ensure human safety and therapeutic effectiveness. Regulatory approval is crucial, requiring comprehensive data to demonstrate benefits outweigh risks. This process bridges innovative research with real-world medical applications. Gene therapy offers precision correction of genetic defects using CRISPR-Cas9 and similar techniques. Clinical successes include approved therapies for inherited blindness and blood disorders. However, challenges remain in delivery mechanisms, off-target effects, and regulatory hurdles. Messenger RNA vaccines represent a biotech breakthrough by delivering synthetic messenger RNA to instruct cells to produce antigens, triggering protective immunity. This technology enabled rapid COVID-19 vaccine development in under a year and offers platform adaptability for targeting cancer and infectious diseases. Monoclonal antibodies are engineered to target specific disease molecules with precision, offering therapeutic applications in cancer, autoimmune, and infectious diseases. They have revolutionized cancer immunotherapy, exemplified by checkpoint inhibitors that enhance the immune system's ability to fight cancer cells. Nanoparticles enhance drug stability and targeting, allowing for controlled release mechanisms. This precision reduces systemic toxicity by delivering drugs directly to diseased cells. Clinically, lipid nanoparticles have been pivotal in messenger RNA vaccine delivery systems, showcasing their potential in improving therapeutic outcomes while minimizing side effects. Targeted nanoparticle drug delivery leverages nanotechnology to enhance precision in delivering medications. This approach maximizes therapeutic efficacy by ensuring drugs reach specific cells or tissues, significantly reducing side effects. By focusing on diseased areas, it offers a more efficient and safer treatment option, revolutionizing how we approach complex medical conditions. Practical applications of targeted nanoparticle drug delivery include cancer treatment, where nanoparticles deliver chemotherapy directly to tumor cells, reducing systemic toxicity. In infectious diseases, nanoparticles enhance antibiotic delivery, overcoming resistance. In gene therapy, they facilitate precise delivery of genetic material to target cells, improving therapeutic outcomes. These applications demonstrate the transformative potential of nanotechnology in modern medicine. Designing a recombinant protein drug involves several critical steps. First, identify the therapeutic target gene from genomic databases. Next, clone this gene into an appropriate expression vector system. Transform host cells and optimize culture conditions. Extract and purify the protein using chromatography, then analyze its structure, activity, and stability. Finally, develop a stable pharmaceutical formulation. Design specific guide RNAs to target gene sequences precisely. Deliver CRISPR components into cell lines through transfection. Assess the effects of gene knockout on disease phenotype to validate targets effectively. Extract proteins from biological samples using standardized protocols. Analyze protein composition and modifications with advanced mass spectrometry techniques. Use bioinformatics tools to identify potential biomarker candidates. Confirm their significance through independent sample testing. Integrating AI tools in compound screening involves inputting biological and chemical data into AI systems. Predictive models are trained on drug-target interactions, enabling virtual screening of millions of compounds. This process prioritizes candidates for laboratory testing, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in identifying potential drug candidates. The future of biotech and drug development is revolutionizing how we approach disease treatment. AI-driven compound screening accelerates drug discovery by efficiently analyzing vast data sets. This innovation enhances precision in identifying promising drug candidates, reducing time and cost. As we advance, integrating multi-omics data and precision medicine will further refine personalized therapies, addressing complex diseases with unprecedented accuracy. Multi-omics integration is revolutionizing disease understanding by combining genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics. Precision medicine is expanding personalized treatments through individual genetic profiles. Global collaboration, enhanced by artificial intelligence, is driving breakthroughs. However, ethical considerations, regulatory frameworks, and cost accessibility present significant challenges that must be addressed to fully realize these advancements. Empowering the next generation of drug developers is crucial. Hands-on mastery in innovative techniques ensures each contribution enhances safety and efficacy. Your expertise is vital for the future of medicine, enabling the creation of transformative therapies that change lives.